Stand by for action.
Good morning, everybody. Borada, Shamai. All right, boys and girls, how's it fucking going then? Right, what's happening today, peeps? Well, I'm at Cwmcarn, that way Abercarn boy in the valleys. This is a place I should have come last week instead of the Kington Bog, but but it just confirmed that I just love around Kington area. It's lovely. Anyway, Cwmcarn, nice casual ride, no dramas, because in a couple of weeks we've got the big ride coming on. And Andrew, who's just down there, I'll show you in a minute. Nice to meet you. I'm not going to say where it is, you have to stay tuned to the socials. So yeah, just a nice casual ride. It looks a bit grim down there. It's lovely driving down, but hopefully that will blow over and not hit us. Andrew and your mate, that is you just there coming up the hill. You stopped. I don't know if you can see, but there you are. Nice to meet you, subscriber. And I'm not quite sure what to say. That's about it, really. We're on the rise, Andy boy, the rise. And it's good to see that Vaughan Gethin's been voted in. I do like Vaughan Gethin. I don't know anything about him, but I just kind of like him for some reason. And I listened to his speech when he got voted in, and I've memorised it, and it kind of went like this. All right, boys, how's the fucking going then? I'm the boy with the big balls, I'm here now, and I'm going to sort this shit out and make it tidy. All right? Tidy. And that was it, short, sweet, to the point. And I thought, you know what, Vaughan, I think that's bloody tidy. Right, without further ado, we are out of here. We're off up there, and then off up there. Andrew, I can see you stopped. Keep pushing it out, keep pushing it out. All right, in a bit, boys and girls. Right, leaving the car park, Cwmcarn. It's windy, so there's no drone action today. And it's a bit chilly, but I reckon I will be warming up by the end of it, and very soon. Bloody hell, that wind's getting up, and it's pretty chilly as well. Okay, start a caval. Let's have a nice casual slog up. Right, the jacket's off, and it'll be off relatively soon. I've got a stay broken on the rear mudguard. One of the stay clamps has snapped off, so you'll hear a lot of noise from that during the ride. Bugger. Right, what's your name? Sorry, what's your name?
Andrew.
This is I'm Andrew too.
Yeah, Andy, yeah.
This is Andrew. He follows me on YouTube. Time he will never get back. Nice to meet you, sir.
You too.
Are you still a subscriber?
Yeah.
All right, stay tuned. There's a big one happening in 2 weeks.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Hey?
Where are you off?
I'm not saying. And this is Andrew's mate.
Steve.
Are you a subscriber?
Not yet, there will be after.
Bloody hell, boy. All right, come on.
Sorry about that.
That's all right, boy. Well, that was nice. Just met a guy called Andy, who's a subscriber, and his mate, forget his name, sorry if you're watching this, I forgot your name. Anyway, right, I think this is called thigh burner, leg tickler, something like that. Quadzilla. All right, boys, so how you going there? Got a load of rain coming in there. I think the jacket will be coming on before long. Got a switchback and I'm shit at switchbacks. Oh, yes, Andy boy. No drone today, it's too windy. It'll get blown away. I'm hoping the rain comes to nothing. Turn left, yeah, Carver. Yeah, that does look bloody grim ahead. Please do not come this way. Bloody hell, the wind's really got up now. I reckon we're going to see some pretty shit rain before long. It's dropped colder as well. So hopefully try and make it to some shelter before the fucking rain comes down. Sorry, didn't mean to swear. Now my vids are being monetised. I don't want to swear. Monetise my arse. I'll probably earn about 1 pence for a year. Oh, Andy boy, get up there. Right, I think I'm going to put the jacket on because it's coming in now. Bloody hell, look at it over there. You see it all coming down the valley. Shitty death, that is bloody awful. Right, bloody hell, Andy boy. There's sleet in that as well, we've got a bit of ice. Jeez. Yeah, we got some snow. Bloody feckin' Nora. Jesus Christ. That wind is strong, it's bloody cold. Oh, my head is freezing. Oh, dear me, Andy boy. Yeah, we've got some proper snow now. Jesus. This weather is ridiculous we've been having recently. Absolutely chuffing rubbish. Ah, shit, we're into it now. God, this is shit. Fun, but shit. Oh, what's this one called? Rocky Valley, boy. Rocky Valley. I'll take it easy because the rocks are going to be slick now. Oh, pardon me. That track split, we're going to red. It's quite steep, that, by the way. Rootsy boy, rootsy. Ah, lordy, lordy, Jack and Ori.
rain and the snow has blown over now. It's going to be bright, thank goodness. Bloody sun's out now, it's getting warm again. Jeez, she's making your mind up. I don't know if the how the video footage is going to come out, because there's been a bit of condemnation in the behind the lens cover, so I've been trying to wipe it, but what with all the damp and shit, I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. Fingers crossed. Going into the scary woods now. Dragon run, Andy boy. Dragon run. That's us coming out of Dragon Run. I didn't see no dragons, boy. Alright, so that's the Pedal Hounds Black Run, which we did last time, and my GoPro settings are all to sugar. So I've done that. I'll do it again another day, but not today. I'm going to follow the standard Cavil trail and head on up yonder. Up we go, boy! More scary woods. Bloody mudguard's peeing me off. Just need to find some decent clamps for it. That's the front one now. Bloody hell, Andy boy, you need to get your bloody mudguard sorted out, boy. Oh, there, boy. We're through, hurrah! Jesus, that's going to come off in a minute. Alright, heading back to the car now. We need to sort that mudguard out. It's really peeing me off. spin downhill section. Awesome. And stop the clock, sort the mud guards out. Oh, cup of tea, tidy. Right then folks, there we go. Short and sweet. Bit cheesed off without the mudguard issue. I just need to sort that out somehow because it's a Heath Robinson job I've concocted for the bike, using a bit of some mud huggers and some other bits and bobs to make a nice curvy mudguard. But it's just trying to get the stays to clamp, you know, the clamps on from the stays onto the side of the mudguard. I just need to find something decent because not long into the ride, when we started off, one of them snapped off, and then on the other side it all started to come loose, and there's a danger of it being ripped off on the ride, and I could have got back to the car and trying to ripped it off myself and caused more damage, and I don't want to do that, so knocked it on the head early, which is fine. I had a nice time. I really like Cwmcarn. Really like it. Weather was fucking shite, and yeah, that's it really. No more biking videos for a bit now. Well, I won't be biking next weekend because I'll be prepping for the big adventure ride starting on the 1st. So it might be a bit of a Honda stuff. I don't know. We'll see what the bloody weather's doing. Can't believe it today. Sunny, snow, sleet, wind, rain, then back to sun again, and now it's raining again. So yeah, it's bloody, in the words of Vaughan Gethin, it's bloody shite, boy. Right, that's me. I'm out of here. Andrew, nice to meet you on the hill. Hope you had a nice time, and I forget your mate's name. Was it John? Anyway, all right, boys, how's it going then? I hope you enjoyed the ride. Tidy. Right. So yeah, that's me. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, share the love, and in the words of your new First Minister, Vaughan Gethin, all right, boys, I'm going out of here. Tidy in a bit.